Hello. If you have Mercedes ML or GL or any kind of Mercedes with a V6 engine, and you have power steering leaking, the most common problem, it might be the only problem, is the power steering reservoir seal, which is going down there. So basically you're gonna remove 3 bolts, starboard brakes, 1, 2, 3, a T-Terry socket. Oh, let me find out. That's a good set, by the way. It's a Blue Point. A T-Terry socket. Can find it. Basically was here. It's kind of same mount like this one, and gonna remove this 3 bolts, and there is a C-clip in the back over here. I remove it with the snap-on clip too, just to have a little mirror. You come out from here. Stick this one behind like that, and stick this one here. The clip was here. We push in, and just unclip it like that. Just push it out like this, and this will come out. Like you see here, the seal is flat, so that's what I'm going to replace. I got this seal, is only $4 from Mercedes. This one right here, only $4, called the power steering reservoir seal. If you fix this one and you put some power steering fluid, this issue will be done. I've done this like 10 times. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.